Right, this evening we're also tracking Mindy and Larry. We'll have much more on those systems coming up in just a moment. Meanwhile, here in Connecticut, some developing downpours to the northwest of our capital city. We're zoomed in here on early warning pinpoint Doppler. Just to the northwest of Torrington is one downpour. We've got another cluster that was moving over New Hartford into Bark-Hampstead. Seems to be weakening a bit. On the statewide perspective, things are elsewhere pretty quiet for the time being, but you can see on the left-hand side of your screen, we do have more rain. Eastern New York that's going to be heading in our general direction. Otherwise, we've got temperatures in the low to mid 70s in many communities here in the 11 o'clock hour. Dew point values are up in the upper 60s and low 70s, so that's just borderline oppressive humidity out there thanks to a wind out of the south at around 5 to 10 miles an hour. And compared to this time yesterday, temperatures considerably warmer than 24 hours ago by 10 to 15 degrees. You can see that mugginess is going to be sticking around through tomorrow. It drops on Friday behind a cold front. Saturday looks stellar, and then it creeps back up over the second half of this upcoming weekend. So currently our view from Hartford showing 75. A lot of cloud cover, still dry in our capital city, looking skyward as well. Primarily overcast from New Haven, 77 with that south wind at 10 miles an hour. So in advance of that front, we've got this southerly wind flow that's bringing in this warm and muggy air mass. Meanwhile, this cold front up to our west slowly working in our direction. And there have been some severe storms that worked into the Berkshires. Those have since weakened, and no severe storms on track to reach Connecticut, at least as of now. The intense activity that's heading into southeastern Pennsylvania could clip southern Connecticut as we head several hours from now, but also this should weaken a bit as we head through the overnight time frame. So behind this front, eventually we do trend less humid, but this drier air with these dew points in the 50s off across the eastern Great Lakes, that won't be arriving here until we close out the week on Friday. Again, it's a slow-moving front, so tomorrow the rain could linger at times even through to the evening commute tomorrow. So here's Futurecast as we make our way past midnight tonight. Rain and thunderstorms possible across Connecticut. Winds could be gusty at times in some of the stronger storms, but most of the activity should remain sub-severe here in Connecticut. Some of those storms again across Pennsylvania could reach southern coastal Connecticut as we head towards say 2-3 o'clock in the morning. So you may hear some heavy rain, some rumbles of thunder, and that rain again could be locally heavy to where we could see perhaps some poor drainage, flooding in spots. But by the morning commute Thursday, the rain, the steady, heavy stuff with thunderstorms should be to the east of Connecticut. Then with that front across southeastern New England during the afternoon, we'll see a wave of low pressure right along that, enhancing the potential for more rain, especially near the Rhode Island border and points eastward. The rest of Connecticut drying out as we head toward and past sunset tomorrow. So we could see half an inch to an inch and a half of rain in some spots. Otherwise tonight, temperatures only dropping to the mid 60s, not a big drop whatsoever. And tomorrow afternoon highs only between 70 and 75. So Futurecast for our Friday showing a bright, pleasant, and less humid into our week. A quick check at the tropics. Mindy made landfall on the Florida Peninsula, on the Panhandle there, I should say, at 9:15 this evening at St. Vincent Island. We're also tracking Larry, of course, a large hurricane, still Category 2, passes well offshore from southern New England. Atlantic-facing coastline could see some large swells and, of course, rough seas as we head into the upcoming weekend. Saturday, mostly sunny after a chilly start in the upper 40s and low 50s. We hit the upper 70s, which is right on track for what's considered normal for this time of year. Warmer, muggier, and breezy on Sunday, but dry. Highs 80 to 85. Then some showers and storms will be possible Monday. It could be unsettled as we head Tuesday into Wednesday of next week as well.
Mark, thank you very much.